The paint we use is just an acrylic craft paint, which you can get from any craft shop. Nothing special, it's what kids use in primary school, and it works well.
The multi-adhesive works well as a gloss coat finishing over the acrylic paint. The wingtips are the same as the main joints. Now the wingtips, because when this plane crashes it tends to roll like this, and surprisingly the wingtips don't get touched as much as you'd think they would. But occasionally, if it goes the wrong direction, the wingtips catch on something and they get ripped, usually downwards that way or upwards that way. So often you're retensioning your wingtips. Putting our wingtips on. I'm just going to cut some slits in this wrap so that it will wrap three-dimensionally around the curve. Same as we did on the leading edge there when laminating. We could have laminated these on by aralditing. Put a few dots of araldite in there, glue them on, then sand them perfect, but they're going to snap off anyway. So, as you either you're a good pilot and you're trying to be better and you get cocky and crash, or you're a beginner and you're going to crash anyway. Put a tensioner along the edge that way, which gives it a bit of tensile strength along that bottom edge. And it's starting to take shape. Aligning the ailerons is quite easy. This control horn base is 20 mils wide. This is 30 mils wide, so there's going to be 5 mils either side of that. I'm going to start with a piece of tape. I'll make it as wide as one side from there to there, or nearly. What I like to do is actually cut a circle, like radius the corners of the tape, because if you've got corners they tend to lift, and when you've got no corners they stay nice and solid. Just so I know where I am. That can be the centre of the control horn. Put it on the edge of the table here and check we're in the centre of that cavity for the control. The milling machine is very, very accurate. Humans are only really accurate good to about a mil by eye, sorry, half a mil by eye. So that's going all the way to full lock and upwards, well, upwards infinite anyway. No, it's not. Upwards is at 90 degrees due to your control horn, and 60 degrees downwards due to the angle of those two faces.